Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea for 4 people. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need your preferred tea, whether it's loose leaf or 4 tea bags. Make sure you have 4 cups or a teapot that holds at least 4 cups. Also, grab a kettle, a timer, and a tea strainer if you're using loose leaf tea. Fresh, filtered water is key for a delicious brew. Next, let's get the water just right. Heat 4 cups of fresh water to the specific temperature recommended for your tea type. Green tea needs cooler water than black tea. Add 4 teaspoons of loose leaf tea or 4 tea bags to your teapot or cups. Pour the hot water over the tea, then set a timer for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your desired strength. Once your tea has steeped perfectly, it's time to serve. Carefully remove the tea bags, or if you used loose leaf, strain the tea into your 4 waiting cups. Now for the fun part, customization. Offer a selection of milk, sugar, honey, or lemon so everyone can personalize their drink. Give it a gentle stir, and your delicious tea is ready to be enjoyed. Finally, it's time to relax and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Share your perfectly brewed tea with your 3 companions. Take a moment to appreciate the wonderful aroma and rich flavor you've created. This is a great opportunity to unwind, perhaps with a small snack or pastry. Enjoy the warmth and the good company you've gathered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.